Do you want to know how you can sign up for Venus AI? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Venus AI. Go ahead and search for Venus AI sign up and then click on the first link which says registered Venus AI. Now, the first step is to write down your email address. Then go to the password section and write down your password, which is down, and check your password once. Make sure it is secure and click sign up. You can see that you must confirm your email address to activate your account, so go ahead and open your email address with which you have registered Venus. Go ahead and click on the mail and click confirm email, which is over here. Then, after a while, you can see that you will successfully sign up to your account on Venus AI. You have created an account, you can start chatting and create characters. So go ahead and click start your adventure. You can see that you can fill up your info over here. Some of the info are your profile picture, your username, description about yourself, your character name, your character appearance. Click save changes and there you go. This is how you sign up for Venus AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.